Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are viewing this video, that means you are a FMG aspirant who's working incredibly hard and still feeling stuck somewhere. Maybe between the marks of 130 to 149. I know the struggle, right? For that, I'm here with you all for a strategy that how to cover this 15 to 20 marks to give you that edge and give you the confidence. Number one. Your mindset is the key at this moment, and you need to understand that if you're thinking that you are a failure, you won't be able to do it, how this 15 marks gap will be done, it will be done. Trust me, you need to be very calm. You are on the brink of success and you just need to put the right step at the right moment and you'll be doing wonders. And to give you that confidence and that boost today, I'm here with a 3-step strategy for you. What does the 3-step strategy means? Strategize your study, do active recalling and solve as many as questions as possible. Yes, when I say this, focus on high yield topics. If you're scoring between this bracket, then for sure knowledge is not your issue. You are lacking precision and a real short retention rate power problem which you have right now, that you're not able to recall things at the right moment, or maybe your approach to the questions is not too correct how it should be. That is where you are lacking the 10 to 15 marks, and in order to correct that, I'm ensuring you and I'm giving you the ideas that how you can do that. Number one, strategize everything. Focus on high yield topics such as pathology, pharmacology, preventive and social medicine, so that your time is going in the correct direction. Also ensure that for that 140, this person who scored 140 and the person who scored 150, they only lack one thing, that is the way that how they prepare. Suppose do a 10 question trick strategy. If you are doing anything, suppose you are taking a side effect of a drug and that is something which has exception to the main rule. Make a notebook, take a notebook, solve 10 questions on one particular topic. Don't just repeatedly jump to the answers that, okay, I marked this was the answer. Analyze that why did you mark this answer, why rest of the options were not the answer of that particular question, and understand that why was your approach. Approaching to the questions with the correct mindset is something that you need right now. Go to your notes, don't just reread from A to Z, do active recalling and ensure that you are able to retain whatever you're studying. Use flashcards, image-based one-liner questions, solve anything and everything that you have and that you want to overcome your weaknesses, and you want to do that, we are here for you. You can anytime comment down below FMG, you can reach out to us and we'll guide you through our guided preparations. We'll give you mocks and we'll be guiding you to get through this journey.
क्या आप भी अपने नेक्स्ट नीट पीजी अटेम्प्ट को अपना बेस्ट पीजी अटेम्प्ट बनाना चाहते हैं, so that you can get your dream branch and dream brand? Well, then all you have to do is fill the form in the description and we will help you strategize like a pro. तो रुके क्यों? It barely takes 15 seconds. Go fill the form.
And I am telling you that your primary focus should be your confidence, your approach to solving the questions, and practice. It's not about how many questions you solve, it's about how you are solving those questions, how you are approaching them. Do active recalling, be very confident of what you have studied, use rapid revision videos to ensure that you are covering everything on time if you are lacking on some of the things, and create a notebook or a digital document which will emphasize on your weaknesses. Know your weaknesses, know your strengths, and you will be doing wonders. You are very close to your dream. Trust me on that. You will be able to do wonders on 17th January 2026 if you are following your gut feeling, if you are in the correct path and directions. Follow the correct apprehension. Your approach at this moment for the questions and for the paper is everything that you need. So, high yield topics, correct revision, revise, consolidate your materials, stick to one thing, stick to at least 7 to 8 hours of studying, no 0 days at this time, and your gap of that 15 to 20 marks or maybe 10 marks will be fulfilled like this, and you will be good to go. So, be confident, stay calm, stay hydrated, and do wonders. All the best.